Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito isang energy update for you ngayong September 16 to 30. 2023. This is a general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see Aquarius. What's up? Energy update for you. You have Taurus. Cultivate. So this is focusing on yourself, your needs, no? Self-love, self-care energy, and also taking care of your health as well. Maaring iba sa inyo, you will focus on your materialistic side, no? It doesn't mean na masama yun, no? Yung lang sabihin yan, you are focusing on achieving something or related rin sa finances mo. Meron kang gustong ma-achieve sa finances mo na mas maging strong, mas maging stable. You also have the Sun. Yes. This is confidence. This is power. So, I think you are becoming even more powerful pagdating sa manifestation ng mga gusto mong makuha, ma-achieve. Let's see what else. You have 11th house community. So, maaring binaback-upan ka ng mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo or sa galing mo, lalo na kung ikaw ay member ng isang grupo na kung saan meron kayong parehong interes. I'm seeing support from your community because they see you as someone na willing to help rin, no? Handa ring tumulong sa iba. So, let's see, i-cultivate ng mga Aquarius. What is this about? Fifth house, which is about your talents and skills, yung creativity ninyo with the sun here, no? So, you're going to be more creative, expressive of your feelings, your thoughts, and even yung iyong talents and skills. You're going to express that through your creative pursuits, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong realization of your talents. Lalo na sa arts. You also have Scorpio energy, so this is a deeper side of you, no? And Uranus here, so I think meron kang bigla ang madidiscover about yourself na meron ka palang talent sa ganitong bagay na hindi mo akalain na you are good at this. So, some of you maaring later in life nyo na na-realize na magaling pala kayong kumanta, magaling pala kayong mag-create ng anything that is related to arts, like painting, or anything that is close to your heart. So, kumbaga, mas lalo mong nakikilala ang sarili mo on a deeper level. So, let's see what else. Especially kung meron kang community or grupo na kinabibilangan. Halimbawa, para lahat kayo ay interesado sa painting. Ayan. So, or scrapbooking. Whatever you are interested in. You have the Ten of Swords. There's like a painful ending or kung ano man yung nagpapahirap sa isip mo, sa kalooban mo. This is finally coming to an end. Yes, with the Wheel of Fortune, things are moving towards a better direction na kung saan mas favorable na sa'yo yung sitwasyon. Let's see, ano tong nag-e-end na to? In what area of Aquarius's life? Third house. This is about a toxic relationship with someone. Can be kamag-anak mo or a kapatid, no? And also, this is communication. So, I think kung merong mga nakakausap ka na tao na nagpapasama ng loob mo, you're going to release yourself from that situation. Aalis ka na lang doon. You have the Five of Swords, the Empress. Alam nyo, Aquarius, merong mga naiinggit sa inyo, no? Sa inyong achievements or sa mga magagandang nangyayari sa buhay nyo ngayon. So, I think the best thing to do is wag pansinin tong mga to at mag-focus ka sa pag-improve ng sarili mo. With the Empress card here, tapos Taurus energy, this is about taking care of yourself. Oo. And moving to calmer waters, moving out sa mga toxic situation. Lalo na kung napapaligiran ka ng mga taong mahilig mag-chismis, no? So, iwasan na yan. Iwasan mo yan. You're going to treat yourself. Kumbaga, me time, ganyan. So, maaring lalabas ka, kahit mag-isa ka lang, no? For self-love, self-care, massage, mani-pedi, ganyan. Nanonood ka ng sine or anything that will satisfy your needs. You are transforming. Yes, ito transmutation, new era. The end is just the beginning. Ooh. So, parang meron mang natapos na situation sa buhay mo na painful, pero you are coming back with vengeance, no? So, you are rising from the ashes. Meron ding olive branch. So, you are also making amends, peace offering. So, I think, for you want peace. Gusto mo ng kapayapaan ng isip. Katahimikan ng isip. Kaya anything that is toxic, stressful sa buhay mo, you are letting that go, iniiwasan mo na yan because you want to live a happy life, no? Some of you may be attracting a romantic connection. Okay? And this is appreciation. So, maaring yung mga mahal sa buhay mo, mas ina-appreciate ka nila of what you do to them or what you did to them in a positive way. So, meron ding truth, justice. Merong you will receive justice. Ibig sabihin nito, kung meron mang tao na merong kasalanan sa'yo or may atraso sa'yo, in any way or form, you will get the justice that you deserve. Okay? So, let's see ano pa. For money, career, finances, para sa mga Aquarius. See, transformation na naman, Change is coming for a brand new you. You're going to embrace transformation to enjoy the process. Pagbabago ng trabaho, ng career. Wow, look at that. Unexpected fortune is about to come. So parang may biglaang pera or magiging source of your income na babago sa buhay mo, sa iyong finances. That's awesome. Your finances are doing well at the moment. You have the 3 of Swords, and then the 2 of Cups, and the 8 of Swords. Okay. Ang nakikita ko rito is, meron mang painful situation sa buhay mo. Still, there are good things happening pagdating sa career mo. I think, meron kang, parang you are breaking free from a career or business na hindi na nagbibigay sa'yo ng happiness. You will focus on what you really love to do. And when you do that, doon ka mas magiging blessed. Kasi you are transforming, You are definitely transforming. You are coming out of your shell, parang ganon. So, let's see what else pa. Love life. My wedding. New love. Yung iba sa inyo, you might be planning for a wedding or may a-attendan ka na wedding. Some of you, a new relationship. Wow. The Empress. 4 of Wands. Wow, may talaga. Merong, I think, transformation din to sa relationship. Oo. If you are, parang, if you want to upscale or parang upgrade your love life, I think merong pag-upgrade ng love life for you. You will be focusing on what is important. You will be taking care of your love life or yourself, and also lalo na kung bagong relationship. So pwedeng iba sa inyo biglaan papasok sa isang seryosong relationship after a failed relationship. Alam mo yun? Ganun kabilis. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.